Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be covering how much money I made in the last 30 days. Before we jump into it, if you haven't already, please consider liking this video and subscribing so you never miss another video in the future. Now, let's get straight into it. Now, as some of you guys who have been watching may already know, the last 30 days I completely stopped working on my day job. And the reason behind this is that I wanted to prove to myself that I could live off of my online businesses. At the end of the last video, I showed you guys I was getting close to $100,000 in revenue per year. This was crazy to see and really shows you that dropshipping is still alive. I did want to touch on something quick. There are a lot of comments saying that the numbers I was showing were fake or saying things like this is why America is broke, because you have these rich kids faking their success online. I'm telling you guys, there is absolutely nothing fake about what I've shown in both of these videos. These are my actual numbers. If you don't believe me, I even show my personal PayPal account. The reason why I decided to pursue drop shipping was not because I had money falling out of my pockets. Actually, the complete opposite. I was struggling to pay for college. I didn't want to take out loans, so I wanted to try and earn the money myself. If anything, I'm trying to prove that people like myself can achieve success with online business. So the main business I've been working on recently has been my drop shipping store. I've been growing this store since August of 2020. I will be making a separate video going over how I started and scaled this store. Now moving on to another one of my online businesses, which is my print-on-demand store. As you guys know, I started this store only 2 months ago. In the past 30 days, this store brought in around $180. This is a lower number than I expected, mainly because I wasn't active on the store at all throughout the whole month. I think this is a good number considering I spent maybe an hour total working on this store in the past 30 days. Moving on to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something I have been extremely busy with in the past 30 days, because I'm trying to grow my affiliate marketing YouTube channel. In the past 30 days, I've earned around $1,400 from affiliate marketing. This is a really big number for me because it just goes to show that I can grow multiple different online businesses at the same time. The fourth source of income I'd like to cover is freelance graphic design. I haven't been doing a lot of freelance graphic design work. So, in the past 30 days, I've only made around $200. Next, I'd like to talk about how much money I spent in the past 30 days. In terms of my dropshipping store, the only money I spent was my monthly subscription fee for Shopify, which is around $30. For my print-on-demand store, I also just paid my monthly subscription fee, which was around $30. I didn't have any costs for this month for affiliate marketing because I am using a free website to host my blog posts. Finally, I didn't have any expenses for freelance graphic design. Let's move on to my investments. In the past 30 days, I didn't put any money into buying stock. As many of you might know, I'm currently saving up money to buy 1 share of Apple stock. I plan on buying this share within the next year. I've been saving up the money since April of 2021. Let's move on to my crypto. In the past 30 days, I bought around $50 worth of Ethereum and Bitcoin. The price of these coins has dropped significantly since I bought them, so I am down overall. I'm also down bad. Finally, I'd like to talk about how much money I spent in the past 30 days. In terms of food, I spent around $200. I've been eating pretty healthy, so I've been buying a lot of vegetables. I've also been eating a lot of chicken and fish. In terms of travel, I spent around $300. I went home for Thanksgiving and I traveled to San Diego for the weekend. Other than that, I haven't been spending money on much else. I am trying to save up money to get a car. I am saving up for a Honda Civic. Let's move on to my net worth. In the past 30 days, my net worth increased by around $200. This is a great improvement compared to last month where I lost around $300. Let's move on to my favorite part of the video, which is answering some questions you guys asked me on social media. Question 1. How do I balance my businesses and college? I am taking a leave of absence from college right now, so that's why I have so much time to focus on my businesses. I plan on going back to college in the spring semester, so I'll have to find a better system for balancing school and my businesses. Question 2. What does a typical day look like for me? I usually wake up around 8 a.m. and start working on my businesses right away. I usually focus on one business each day, so for example, on Monday, I'll focus on dropshipping. On Tuesday, I'll focus on affiliate marketing, etc. After I'm done working on my businesses, I usually play video games or work out. Question 3. What's my favorite thing about being a digital nomad? My favorite thing about being a digital nomad is definitely the freedom. Being able to work wherever you want is a super cool feeling. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you guys are interested in starting any of the online businesses I talked about in this video, I'll be dropping some free resources in the description. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on my online business journey. So, if you haven't already, please subscribe so you never miss another video. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one. Peace.